Happy 4-month birthday, Trace. Cutie pie. We got to try green beans for the first time today. Hopefully there's no allergic reaction. And he's going for his 4-month shots on Friday, and he is not going to be a happy camper. But he's rolling over, and he's able to sit up with assistance. And he's quite vocal. And he knows where his fingers are. He's just discovering his feet. He likes to chew on his toes so far. He made out like a bandit at Christmas time, and he's just very well loved. Yep, he's lucky he has a special family. Happy birthday, my love.